Hi everybody, Adam from LS2 Helmets. I want to show you how to install the peak on your LS2 Verso helmet. First thing you want to do, open up that outer shield all the way to the top. And from there, I just go ahead and remove that outer shield. Like so. And then we can just set that in the box, set that aside someplace safe. It's not going to get damaged. Now this peak itself, we're actually going to have this in the down position. So we're going to move those carriers just to get them in the down position. Line up my C-clamps here with the channels here on the carriers. And do the same thing over here. And then from there, I just grab the sides here. And seat that in place. Now that peak is installed, it's not going to go anywhere. Very strong, sturdy connection. And you're ready to ride. You can still use your sun shield as you always do. No problems there. Off we go.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.